In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, programming languages play a pivotal role in shaping the way software is developed and executed. Among the plethora of languages available, Python and JavaScript stand out as two of the most popular and versatile options. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just stepping into the world of programming, understanding the strengths, weaknesses, and best use cases of these languages is crucial for making informed decisions. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve deep into Python and JavaScript, exploring their features, ecosystems, applications, and comparative advantages, helping you navigate the choice between the two. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. One, historical context and evolution. Python, developed by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s, Python emerged as a high-level, general-purpose programming language with a focus on readability and simplicity. It gained widespread adoption due to its clean syntax, ease of learning, and strong community support. While JavaScript, created by Brendan Eich in 1995, JavaScript was initially designed as a client-side scripting language for web browsers. Over the years, it has evolved into a versatile language capable of both client-side and server-side development, thanks to the introduction of Node.js. 2. Syntax and readability. Python, renowned for its readability and simplicity, Python emphasizes clean, easily understandable code. Its indentation-based structure enforces consistency and reduces the likelihood of syntax errors, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. While JavaScript syntax shares some similarities with C-style languages, offering familiarity to developers coming from those backgrounds. While its syntax has evolved to become more expressive and modern, it may not be as inherently readable as Python, especially for beginners. 3. Ecosystem and libraries. Python boasts a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks catering to a wide range of domains, including web development, Django, Flask, data science, NumPy, Pandas, machine learning, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and more. This rich repository of tools accelerates development and encourages code reuse. While JavaScript, with the advent of Node.js, JavaScript's ecosystem witnessed a significant expansion beyond web development. Popular frameworks like Express.js for server-side development and React.js for building user interfaces have propelled JavaScript to the forefront of modern web development. Additionally, NPM, Node Package Manager, hosts millions of packages, offering unparalleled flexibility and extensibility. 4. Performance and execution environment. Historically, Python has been criticized for its performance, particularly in computationally intensive tasks. While interpreted nature and dynamic typing contribute to its versatility and ease of use, they can also impact performance negatively. However, optimizations like JIT, just-in-time, compilation and libraries like NumPy help mitigate these concerns. While JavaScript's performance has seen significant improvements over the years, driven by advancements in engine technologies, V8, SpiderMonkey, and runtime environments like Node.js. Its event-driven, non-blocking I/O model makes it well-suited for handling concurrent operations, resulting in efficient execution, especially in web applications. 5. Concurrency and asynchronicity. Traditionally, Python has struggled with concurrency due to the Global Interpreter Lock, GIL, which limits multi-threaded performance in CPU-bound tasks. However, libraries like Asyncio and frameworks like Twisted mitigate these limitations by enabling asynchronous programming paradigms, ideal for I/O-bound operations. While JavaScript's single-threaded nature may seem like a limitation at first glance, but its event-driven architecture, coupled with asynchronous programming patterns using promises and async/await, facilitates non-blocking I/O operations. Additionally, Node.js leverages the event loop to handle concurrent tasks efficiently, making it well-suited for scalable server-side applications. 6. Community and support. Python boasts a vibrant and inclusive community comprising developers from various backgrounds and industries. The Python Software Foundation, PSF, oversees the language's development and provides resources, documentation, and governance. This strong community support ensures timely updates, extensive documentation, and a plethora of educational resources. While JavaScript's community is equally dynamic and diverse, fueled by its ubiquitous presence across web development, mobile app development, React Native, and even desktop applications, Electron. Open-source initiatives, forums like Stack Overflow, and dedicated developer communities contribute to JavaScript's growth and evolution, offering abundant support and resources. 7. Learning curve and educational resources. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for beginners, students, and educators. A myriad of online tutorials, interactive platforms, Codecademy, DataCamp, and educational resources cater to individuals learning Python for the first time, fostering a supportive learning environment. While JavaScript's widespread adoption in web development ensures a plethora of learning resources and tutorials tailored to different skill levels. However, its asynchronous nature and dynamic typing may pose challenges for beginners transitioning from statically typed languages. Nonetheless, frameworks like React.js and Vue.js offer intuitive approaches to building modern web applications, attracting developers of all levels. Choosing the right language. Factors to consider. When deciding between Python and JavaScript for a particular project or application, developers should consider various factors to ensure compatibility, efficiency, and maintainability. 1. Project requirements. The nature and requirements of the project play a crucial role in determining the suitability of a programming language. For data-intensive tasks, such as data analysis or machine learning, Python's robust ecosystem of libraries makes it an ideal choice. On the other hand, for web-based applications that demand dynamic user interfaces and real-time interactions, JavaScript's strengths in front-end development shine. 2. Team skills and expertise. The existing skills and expertise of the development team can significantly influence the choice of programming language. If the team is proficient in Python and has experience with its frameworks like Django or Flask, opting for Python may streamline development and reduce learning curves. Conversely, if the team specializes in JavaScript and has expertise in front-end frameworks like React or Angular, JavaScript would be the natural choice. 3. Performance and scalability. While both Python and JavaScript are capable languages, they exhibit differences in terms of performance and scalability, especially in specific use cases. Python's interpreted nature and dynamic typing may result in slower execution speeds compared to JavaScript, which benefits from its just-in-time, JIT, compilation and asynchronous capabilities. For performance-critical applications or high-traffic websites, developers may need to evaluate the trade-offs and optimizations offered by each language. 4. Community and ecosystem. The strength of the community and ecosystem surrounding a programming language can greatly impact development productivity and support availability. Developers should assess factors such as the availability of documentation, third-party libraries, community forums, and ongoing support and updates when choosing between Python and JavaScript. A thriving ecosystem can provide valuable resources, tools, and community-driven solutions that expedite development and troubleshooting processes. 5. Long-term maintainability. Considering the long-term maintainability and scalability of a project is essential when selecting a programming language. Python's emphasis on readability and maintainability may contribute to cleaner and more maintainable code bases, particularly in larger projects with multiple contributors. JavaScript's flexibility and dynamic nature may require additional attention to code quality and consistency to ensure maintainability over time. Conclusion. In conclusion, both Python and JavaScript offer unique strengths and capabilities, making them indispensable tools for modern software development. While Python excels in readability, versatility, and data science applications, JavaScript dominates the realm of web development, server-side programming, and real-time applications. Ultimately, the choice between Python and JavaScript depends on factors such as project requirements, familiarity, community support, and personal preference. By understanding the nuances and comparative advantages of these languages, developers can make informed decisions to optimize productivity and achieve their goals in the ever-evolving landscape of programming. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.